Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. In case you're new, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. And if you have been watching me and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Join the family. So guys, I'm going to be doing a makeup today. Like today's video is when you are tired and you still had to create a video. Like the time should be like what's the time? This is past 12, guys. This is past 12. I am tired, but if I don't do this video today, I'm going to miss my upload date. So guys, subscribe to my channel and please just give this video a huge thumbs up if you end up enjoying. I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to create a beginners friendly makeup. So whatever you see, I know it's going to come out solid. So let's just dive into the video, guys. Let's just dive into the video. So guys, because of how tired I'm feeling and I want to make the video very quick and detailed one, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover. I won't be doing a talk show. So to be honest, I'm very tired, so let me just do a voiceover and then let's just go into the video. So I'm going to be starting off with my skincare. You know how it is, so I'm going to explain as I do my voiceover. So let's go. So guys, while I do my skin prep, I just want to ask those people that normally watch my video and you don't want to subscribe, are you not seeing my subscribe counts? Are you not seeing that your girl is way, way, way very low? Like I need this subscribe count to grow. Eh? Okay, just tell me if you don't like my way of doing makeup and all that. That is why there is a comment section for you to always tell me what you think about the makeup. But comment I won't see, like I won't see, subscribe I won't see. Please guys, help me now. I'm begging at this point. I'm not supposed to beg, like you have to subscribe because you like what you see. But at this point, I am begging. I am literally begging. Anyways, I have a very detailed skincare prep video in my channel in case you want to know, and I explained everything in details, and I actually used all the product I'm using here, everything. This is literally the way I do my skin prep. You do not have to go, overboard and extra mile. You just have to keep it simple. So let's just dive into the makeup. I already started with my foundation, guys. This foundation is one of my best foundation. Why? It is full coverage, it is lightweight. Guys, I like this Avo foundation. I don't know, people are not actually saying a lot about it. Are you seeing that coverage? It is lightweight. And guys, always remember that when you are going in with your foundation, please go be light-handed. You do not have to use too much product. Like in this game, little is more. You get it? So I'm just going to blend it in. I'm not going to keep you watching blending, so I'll just skip. So I always like to use my beauty blender to tap off the excesses. Guys, I think people noticed that I bought a new mirror. Guys, the other mirror I was using, I was so ashamed because the back was broken, even though I had the main mirror. But it was so. I don't know. I don't even know what to say. So I actually bought a new one. So I'm going to be highlighting with my Hagan X. That is one of my OGs. And guys, I'm running out of this. Like, it's exhausted. I'm just using the last portions, and I just pray I just get a new one as soon as possible. I just restocked and I actually forgot I don't have, but I have concealers. I have other concealers, which means I'm going to be switching to my Elegio Pro concealer because that's the one I actually restocked. So I'm just going to blend. You know the drill now. You know now. If you don't blend, you're not going to have a flawless look. If you don't blend, your makeup, the first thing is your skin prep, and the second thing again is your blending. That is what is going to give you that steady, mattified, flawless look, that's going to last you all day. So you just have to make sure you have the necessary tools to blend. Just take your time. You get what I'm saying? So I'm just going to blend my under eye. I forgot to say that I actually left it to get a little bit tacky, so the color will pop. Because if you blend in immediately, it might not be able to, conceal very, very well. So, guys, I said I was tired, so I had to be vibing to a music. Like I was vibing to Davido, those Davido's new album. Guys, I was just vibing, and So this is me setting my under eye. So I'm using my RCMA powder, to secure the under eye because I crease a lot. So if you crease a lot, immediately you're blending, just set it, So I'm setting all the places I highlighted because concealers tend to, crease easier than foundations. My smile line so that it won't break because I smile a lot, yeah. So I had to, set it to make sure that all the places are well set. So this is me doing my blush. Let me just do my confession before you watch. I messed up while doing my blush, guys, because I already set my face. My face was already dry, so blending in that blush was so difficult. But trust me now, girl, I had to control, I had to correct it with my powdered brush. We are OG in this game, but I didn't have to take you through those not to, waste the time. So this is me reverse contouring. When you reverse contour, you have to lift up the chin, it makes your blush and your contour precise and all that. So I was still vibing to my music. So I'm going to be doing my nose contour right now. So guys, even though I was tired, guys, I enjoyed every bit of this makeup. I actually enjoyed it because I vibed to music all through. I was so happy. So I guess I have to be doing more of the voice over than talk through because it saves me time and it actually gives me a lot of time to talk and explain what I'm doing with you guys. So I had to blend in my nose bridge. Make sure you blend. Don't leave any harsh line, guys. The mistake that most of us make is leaving harsh line when we blend our nose bridge. You have to make it look like your nose. So this is me doing my brows. So now I have a detailed video about how I do my brows, and if you still want me to do like an updated routine, I'm still going to do it. Just leave a comment at the comment section. Tell me what you think, tell me what you want, and I'm here to serve you. So I'm just going to fill in my the places that has no hair, then I will highlight it. Highlighting your brows is one of the something you have to be very, very careful while doing. If not, you're just going to ruin your makeup. So if you're a beginner, maybe you just have to try um doing your brows first, eyeshadow first, before you do all that. But I just think this is the quickest one for me because once I'm done with my skin, I'll just concentrate, and it also helps my product to sink into my skin, before I am done with my makeup. Then just had to bake and all that. So I'm done with my brows. So this is my blossom eyeshadow, her nude story. So guys, I actually noticed one thing about this eyeshadow and I am displeased. I'm not just happy. The matte products are very pigmented, like they have good matte products, but when it comes to the shimmery ones, they were not pigmented at all. Like I don't know what happened. It was like I got so pissed. I noticed this the last time I went for a wedding, and I actually went with this because I thought it would be working like the African Queen Blossom. That's their shimmery is the best. But you see this, if you're planning to get it, you're just getting it because of the matte product. You see that shimmery that was touching, my brush could not even pick it up. My brush could not pick it up. And when I noticed, I just had to go in with my thumb. So I used my thumb to just pick it up. And that was when I was actually getting it a bit. So I'm displeased because that is not what I expected. But they have good matte eyeshadow. So but that African blossom, god, one soup like this, you're okay, like you don't even have to go too much. But this, I think I have to pack up to five, before it was but their matte products are very nice, so I'm just going to use that black shade to intensify my outer crease so that it will. I was trying to get this orange vibe on my eyes. So guys, let me not forget my birthday is coming up. I am April born, and I don't even know what I'm planning for my birthday. Like, I'm just so reluctant about everything, but I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful for God. Well, I'll just take us on a little trip. Like when I'm getting ready, I don't know. I'm planning to go snap picture, but I don't even have the strength to do all that. But I'll just try. I'll just try. I have to just be grateful for what God have done in my life so far. I just have to be grateful. Like, I've never been cold feet about my birthday like this, but I'll just have to try. Let me see what happens. My birthday is coming up on the 17th. So let me see what happens from now till 15th. So if anything doesn't happen, which means nothing is going to happen again, I don't know how to party, get a party about my birthday. And where I'm staying right now in Port Harcourt, I don't have friends. So I only have my brothers around. So I'll see how it goes, but I will try make myself happy that day. I'll try. Oh God, that one is sure. I will try make myself happy. So I was done with my eyes, the normal thing, liner, mascara. So I'm just going to, these days nobody goes in with long lashes again, like artificial. I'm more or less, I'm not a fan of falsies. I don't like using falsies, so I'll just like to use my mascara. And I've been grooming my natural lashes, and it has been getting long. So I'm done with it. So I'm just going to go over with my lip. So I'm just trying to reduce the lip stain that I had in the sorry, the moisturizer. I was still vibing. So I'm just going to start with my Davies pencil to line my lip. So I'll just line my small lip. I'm just going to line my small lips just to get it okay. So when I came to my upper lid, I had to overline it. So I just wanted my lip to look bigger. Don't mind me. I don't want it to look bigger. So I was going to go in with my um nude lip stain. When you have a lot going on your eyes, you do not have to go in too much with your lip. Okay, these eyes that I did looks like smoky. I just smoked the eyes. Just now that I'm noticing how beautiful this eyes is looking. Really? So I'm going to blend. That color was too light, so I just had to bring it down, turn it down with that deeper color just to tone it down. So I'm also going with this gloss from Zikel, Send Me Nude. So I'm just going to use it because it's a brand gloss. Just use it to map out my lip, and my lip was done. And look at how beautiful it was looking. Gosh, I can't wait to glam myself on my wedding day. I can't wait. So, you can't go wrong with your gloss. Like, you can't go wrong with your gloss. You can't, so I had to go in my gloss as it gives me that youthful, radiant look. So, I'm done. Like, the makeup is all done. So when you're all done, you have to go with your powder to set your whole face, eliminate all the harsh lines, make sure that everything is coming up together. So that is what I'm doing, dusting off the excesses, all the powder I used to bake. That powder I added there is just to tap, get excesses while I was doing my eyeshadow, but there was not too much excesses because this eyeshadow was not bringing out any excesses. So this is me blending. You blend to your neck. Whoa! So I didn't smoke my under eye, so I just had to go and use that orange color because that is the same color I used on my eyes. So I just had to use it and smoke my under eye. I normally don't do this. You can skip, but I just wanted to do some extra things. So when I'm done, I'm going to set my whole face just to reduce the powdery effect of my face. So it also helps to keep your makeup all day. But there is a particular product that can make a product not move. Like like don't worry, I'm going to show you that product on my next video. So this is me laying my edges. Like I'm on my natural hair. Like guys, the way I love my natural hair. Eh. So I'm just going to lay my edges so it will appear more cleaner and fine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please, if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me with a comment, and I will be there waiting for you. So this is me trying to touch a glow, glow. This glow takes your makeup from 1 to 0, like it takes, sorry, from 0 to 100. What did I even say? It makes my makeup very fine, especially if you're going to a photo shoot and all that. It gives this youthful look. You just have to be lightweight, light-handed with it. So I'm also going to my nose bridge and add, I just wanted it to glow everywhere. Glow, glow, glow to the god. So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me create this video. Please, I have to say it again, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야, 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네, 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy, yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야